part 1 of 33, what it is and how to use it, I gave you an overview of the content and talked about the tools you need. In part 2, we looked at creating the best context for meaningful conversations. Then in part 3, we covered our objective of using these tools to help men experience deeper connections in authentic community where there is no condemnation, but lots of accountability. You know, I love talking about this stuff because of the thousands of men I've personally seen transformed and because of the change it continues to make in me. So, I had a few more thoughts. Here's some extras to set you up for success. First, let's talk tech. Now, these suggestions apply more to public gatherings where you're trying to hold the attention of a large group of men. Although video streaming speeds are increasing, certain variables can still create instability issues. So it's always best to purchase a video bundle. Download the videos to a computer and play the sessions from there. Or if you transferred them to a mobile device, play them from there. For large public gatherings, I suggest that you avoid streaming the content over the internet, whether it's from Right Now Media or even your private cloud storage. Flash drives can also be unreliable, so avoid playing the videos from a flash drive or thumb drive. Now, once you have downloaded the videos, I also suggest you don't stream them through a device like Apple TV, Fire TV, Roku, or Chromecast for public gatherings. You see, all of these devices depend on the speed and stability of your internet and Wi-Fi connection. Instead, use a cable to connect your computer or mobile device directly to the video monitor or projection system. That way, you will avoid internet buffering issues and potential Wi-Fi interruptions. Now, again, these suggestions apply more to large public gatherings. In my experience, I've learned to eliminate as many potential interruptions as possible to create the best experience for the men. Next, let's talk about how you can customize the sessions for your gathering. Each session contains about 30 minutes of content. Most of the sessions include opening or closing roundtable discussions with John Bryson, Brian Carter, and me. Now, some of the things we talk about present new information that would be beneficial to your group. But some of the segments could be replaced with your own shortened summary or a live story from one of the men in your group. Now, there are 2 reasons you may choose to do this. First of all, it personalizes the content and integrates what's happening in your group with what they're learning from the sessions. As I talk about in part 3 of 33, what it is and how to use it, it helps men connect and teaches them how to share their heart. Another reason could be time. If you're not able to schedule an hour and 15 minutes for your gathering, you could shorten the sessions by modifying the beginning and end, and even editing out some of the stories and creative elements. You could use these shortened versions in the gathering just to be sure you have enough time for discussion. Then you could provide a way to watch the entire sessions where they're stored on a private platform that's only accessible to your group. You know, I think it's always a good idea to have a solution in place to access the sessions for makeup and review. Now remember, you are allowed to store the session videos on a private platform that is only accessible to your group. But you're not allowed to upload them to a public platform like YouTube, Vimeo, or any other public social media platform. Another option, remember, is Right Now Media. I explained that option in part 1 of 33, what it is and how to use it. Now, finally, let's talk about using 33 in prisons, recovery centers, and military environments. Authentic Manhood will make the video bundle downloads and PDFs of just the outline portions of the training guides available at no charge when used exclusively for these purposes. I always encourage ministries who serve men in these environments to first present this big opportunity to businesses and churches they partner with who can provide funding for the complete training guides. You see, having the complete training guides not only elevates the experience for the men, it also involves more people who are investing and praying for these missions. Now, in most prison environments, mobile devices, laptops, portable flash drives are not allowed. You can bring in DVDs of the sessions. So you'll either need to purchase the DVD leader kits or find someone who knows how to burn DVDs from the MP4s in the video bundle downloads. Check with a chaplain or warden of the prison about what you are allowed to bring in from the outside. I am happy to help you get the information and resources you need to support your mission to men in prisons, recovery centers, and military environments. I devote a lot of my time coaching leaders everywhere how to use 33 in different environments, especially in churches and marketplace settings. So let me know how I can help you. I love to hear stories of how God is using this powerful tool to impact men around the world.